Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you why I chose the iPhone 8 Plus and not gone for the newer ones. Actually, if you compare the performance of the different iPhones, then you see only the 11 would be making a major difference, but there is also a different price tag attached to it. One important feature, or the most important feature for me, was the camera. And this 8 Plus allows you actually the same camera options as a 10. Videotapes can be recorded with 4K and actually up to 60 frames per second. And if you go to slow-mo motion, then it's even up to 240. So that's really impressive if you compare that with other cameras. Now you see here the display, it's really huge. And then you have also the complementary earphones. Yeah, I prefer actually AirPods instead of these ones. After now I've done the first recordings, I'm really satisfied with the camera performance and also with the iPhone. Also the display size is really good. So overall I'm quite satisfied with my buying this iPhone 8 Plus. So I can recommend that also for others. I did even some of the recordings here on my channel with this iPhone.